Yo, let's go! It's my new camera. We're upgrading. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade. You're gonna see this high quality in videos. Here is my room. I don't usually show the entire room because it kind of used to be a little messy. Just this much messy. But so here's my bed. Yeah. That's my bed right there, and here's like my new little yeah, it's my shelf. It's got a bunch of books, Pokemon, Lego, and just a lot of stuff. And these are my, so I think it was like 2018 or 2017 or the 2018 Christmas. I won the 2018 Mario Multi Adventures Christmas giveaway. I won a prize and a bonus. So I keep those. Here's my TV, my llama. Here is my Xbox. Of course, I got a lot of TiVo stuff. And then let's move over to here. This is where I store a lot of or not all of them, but my FNAF plushies. I'm gonna get one right here and one up here. And then here's my closet. Pretty boring, just clothes. Let's close that. Here is my other shelf. It's got my big boy trophies. Yeah, my other trophies behind the big boy. And then here is my cast from when I broke my arm. So got some books. Green Eggs and Ham. Stupid book. It's fake. May's a liar. Lego table. Got my Pokemon stuff, my iPhone. I just want to show you how much I collect Pokemon. Big stack over there. Big boy stack. Wrong one. Wrong one. There's all my Pokemon, and I gotta put it into that big stack, which, yeah, it's gonna be hard. Back in there. You saw nothing. And here's all my basketball stuff. Got my third grade, which is the first year I played, jersey. And you can see Alexa, high quality. Alexa, turn on basketball display lights.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Alexa, turn off basketball display lights.
Okay.
Alexa, what's the temperature in Beaumont, Alabama?
Sorry, I didn't get that location.
Listen to me. Alexa, what's the temperature in Beaumont, Alabama? She's sometimes stupid.
Sorry, I didn't get that location.
She's stupid. Here's my basketball goal. Got from Christmas from my parents. Yay! It's scary. Yay! It's white. Yay! And then I got some board games. It's my Toy Story Monopoly. We won at 30 Santa. And then Jumanji. Have you ever seen the movie Jumanji? There's 3 of them. It's a very fun game. And I'm going to slap my llama butt. Oh, let's get back to Alexa. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 31 degrees.
Now
Hope
she
you
wants
have a
to
good
listen.
Tuesday.
She sometimes me. She said Happy Thursday. Camera woman, you want to ask a question?
Alexa, Who do you belong to?
I can't answer that, but I can tell you whose account I am connected to if you ask whose account is this.
Alexa, stop.
Alexa, tell us a joke.
Why did the whale cross the ocean?
Who knows?
To get to the other tide.
The other time. Alexa, can you tell me a story?
Batter up. When the boy first saw the cat, he was surprised. Everyone was watching the batter, a fan favorite who had been struggling at the plate recently. The boy looked over at his dad, who had brought him to the game. At first he thought it was his imagination, or maybe his new glasses playing tricks on him. But no, there was indeed a cat behind the third baseline, a sleek gray kitty, hugging the field wall and darting behind the advertisements for hot
Okay,
dogs and
Alexa.
fries.
Alexa!
You can stop. Your story sucks.
Well, that is my room tour, and
Soon others saw it too.
What? She's
People
just gonna
around
keep
them were laughing
going.
and pointing.
Alexa, shut up.
you want me to slap you? I won't feed you dinner tonight. Well, that's my room tour, and you better do this. You better do everything it says. Let me give my my goodbye.